Lubri Flow H1 oil food grade works quickly to dissolve rust, gums and varnish to free up frozen parts. It resists rust and corrosion, leaving light lubricant film for further lubrication and corrosion prevention on metal surfaces. It protects gears in extreme high and low temperatures in a variety of gearboxes and other critical applications in food and beverage manufacturing facilities. It offers superior heat resistance. Typical applications: any area where a penetrating and lubricating oil suitable for incidental food contact is required, including bottling and canning equipment, food processing machinery, slides, cabs, chains and other machine surfaces. Food processing equipment, food packaging equipment, lock mechanisms, rubber door and window seals, ironing and pressing equipment, cutting tables for smooth and even cutting, vending equipment, molding equipment, and dry cleaning equipment. Bearings, gearboxes, open gears, slides, guides, chains, conveyor chains, and valves. Automatic lubrication systems for baking ovens, kiln chain drives, skate chains and bread and bun baking ovens, stentor and tenter chains, and other high-temperature oven chains. Bearings, bushings, slides, chains, compressors, including rotary screw air, vacuum pumps and hydraulics used in animal feed preparation, aluminum metallic, foil and package manufacturing machinery.